So I read this article, and it's a good article, and it's really shows on Fox News, and it says like the U.S. housing market is debunking expectations of the housing crash, right? Everybody was expecting, if you guys remember about 6 months ago to 9 months ago, most economists said we were going to lose anywhere between 5 and 10% over the market. Well, already Fannie Mae has came out and said we are going down lower than our forecast was already expecting, and they're only expecting to lose 2.2% this year and 1.2% next year as a country. Now, what does that really mean? That means, in my mind, if you're only going to lose 2.2 and 1.2% as a country, then some places are going to make a little bit or be flat. That's just the reality of it, right? So knowing that and knowing what's going on with interest rates, and we already know interest rates, most buyers are sitting on the sidelines. They're waiting for them to drop, and they will drop at some point, but they're okay. Some buyers are okay with 7% interest rates right now. We're seeing it currently in today's market. When those rates drop, what do you think is going to happen to the real estate market? And I'm going to tell you right now, I think Fannie Mae is wrong, and I bet you in 2024 we actually gain equity as a nation. That's right, because when rates drop down to 6.5% or 6%, all the buyers that have been sitting on the sideline are going to come back out on the field. And what happened? No inventory, tons of buyers. That's right. That means we're going to see tons of multiple offer situations, which is going to drive up pricing. So when people say, I don't want to pay 7% interest rate, I completely understand that. But I also want you to also look at the other side. 7% interest rate with a little less competition, which means less price point you're paying for your property, or you want a lower interest rate with more competition, with higher going over list price and giving up more of your contingencies. So you have to understand there's always a give and take in real estate. And I just want you to know, based off this article, I think Fannie Mae is correct. The forecast should be coming down to 1.2 or even flat for the year, in my personal opinion. And I do think in 2024 we'll see gain. As always, I'll bring the facts, I'll bring the data. You just got to bring the decision.